Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. If you love GIMS, then it's your time here on Going Guitar this time, but we also have many Metal Games songs in our portfolio. So yeah, you're welcome here to Going Guitar. Welcome to subscribe to this channel, and we will cover Don Diego right now. So yeah, we're gonna do this without any capo. Alright, that's the setup. It's clean on the fretboard, and we have 3 chords to handle. So we're gonna start with the chords, and we're gonna start with C. So C goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the next chord, which is the A sharp. We're gonna use a sus version of it. That's a bar chord where you place your index finger on the 1st fret and you push down 5 strings. If you count from bottom up, that's the 5 strings you're gonna have your finger on, and then you need to add 3rd on D and 3rd on G. And then you have the final chord, the D minor. And that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. So we have that chord progression through the entire song: C, A sharp, and D minor. Now let's go into the handling. And if you grab the first chord C, 1 string around will be down, up, clap, down. So that is 1 round. So 1 down, short pause, and then up, clap, down. All right, and a couple rounds. So you're gonna play 1 string round on C, 1 on A sharp, and 2 on D minor. And you're just gonna roll that through the entire song, like this. And that's it, my friends. Hope you enjoyed it. GIMS, Don Diego. Give it a try and play tuned.